How to buy a mutual fund for beginners. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Hey everyone. Welcome to Finance Seco India, your go-to channel for smart money moves. Today, we're breaking down how to buy a mutual fund step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Understand what a mutual fund is. A mutual fund pools money from many investors and invests it in stocks, bonds, or other assets. You don't need to be an expert, a professional fund manager handles the investments for you. Step 2. Set your financial goal. Ask yourself, are you investing for the short term or long term? Do you want high returns with higher risk or safer returns? This will help you choose the right type of mutual fund. Step 3. Choose the type of mutual fund. Here are some basic types. Equity funds, high risk, high return; debt funds, low risk, stable return; hybrid funds, mix of equity plus debt. Beginners usually start with SIPs in a large cap or balanced fund. Step 4. Select a platform to invest. You can invest through your bank, official AMC, asset management company, websites like SBI, HDFC, etc. Online platforms like Zerodha Coin, Groww, Paytm Money, or Groww. Make sure the platform is SEBI registered. Step 5. Complete KYC. Know your customer. Before you invest, you need to complete eKYC online. You'll need PAN card, Aadhaar card, a selfie or live photo. Most platforms verify it within minutes. Step 6. Start a SIP or Lumpsum investment. SIP, systematic investment plan. Invest a fixed amount monthly. Great for beginners. Lumpsum. Invest a large amount at once. You can start with as little as 500 rupees per month. Step 7. Monitor and stay invested. Track fund performance every 6 months or annually. Don't panic with short-term market changes. Mutual funds are best for long-term wealth creation. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Finance Seco India. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly finance videos.